Hey, hello bro.
Hello bro.
Sit ya.
Sit. So heading home for the break?
Yeah. Can't wait to see the family and friend. How about you?
I'm here, man. Jakarta been hectic lately. Need some hometown tranquility.
I get that. Bandung, bit overwhelming too.
So we're home for you.
Surabaya, born and raised. You?
Yogyakarta, the heart of Java. Love that place.
Oh, Yogyakarta rich in the culture. Right. I I have always wanted to visit.
Absolutely, the history, the food, the people, it's all amazing.
Gentlemen, would you like anything to drink?
Just water for me. Thanks.
Some here. Thank you.
Raad. So heading home for the holiday?
Yes. Back to Surabaya. And you?
Oh, I live in Jakarta, but it's always nice to see the passenger excited for the hometown visit.
Uh, Definitely, it's like a reset button before diving back into studies.
Couldn't agree more.
Well, enjoy your flight and take your time back home. If you need anything, you can always call me and I
Thanks,
will help
we
you.
will.
Appreciate it.
So, any special plans back home?
Not really. Just catching up with family and friend. You?
Some here, maybe a few outings, but nothing too fancy.
Sound good. Sound good.
Yes.
Sometimes it's the simple moment that matter the most.
Absolutely. Well, here's to a smooth flight and a great break.
Cheers
Cheers.
to that.
Okay, bro.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We are currently crossing at 5,000 feet and making a good toward our destination. The flight is clear ahead. We anticipate a smooth journey for the remainder of the flight. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Thank you and have a good day.
Captain, our passenger seems out in. Is anything that you need?
No, thanks. Everything seems clear.
Great. The passengers seem in good spirit for the flying.
That's good to hear. How the cabin crew holding up?
They are doing well, serving refreshment, doing some stuff. It's all a smooth sailing from now.
Actually, let's hope it stay away. Anyway, turbulence is respond.
Not so far, Captain. The sky are pretty calm.
Perfect. Let's hope stay and until we land. Anything else you on your hand?
Not at the moment, Captain. Just wanted to charge some bass and everything running smoothly.
I appreciate that. So, Reza, you always keep things running at well, and we all mission.
Thank you, Captain. It's our team effort after all.
Absolutely well. Is there nothing else? Feel free to return the cabin. I will let you know if everything come up.
Will do, Captain.
Yes, sir.
Thanks.
Apa sih aja? Gak mau